peaches. Oh yeah. Oh, look at all these tomatoes. Big beefsteaks. So here's more watermelons back here. Wow. The watermelons have been absolutely incredible. I'm gonna walk you out to the field where they were just picked. And the farmer, I just talked to the farmer, he told me that we got about another week or two. That's it. That'll be the watermelons. But then they'll have another crop of watermelons in the fall, if the weather holds, he said. But fingers crossed, we will get another crop in the fall, which would be dynamite. I'm addicted to these things. I eat watermelon literally every day. So I don't know if you can see, there's watermelons all out there. I've never ever seen watermelons like grown like, you know, on a farm. So this is kind of cool for me. Hope they don't mind them out here, but this is how they grow them. And this is where they pick them, and that's where they go. So we got another week or two, at least for this farm, and that'll be it. Look at all the watermelons. So the watermelons I got, I'll film them for you. They're huge, huge. $10 a piece out the door. And this is the place, the guy that sells them at Rural King gets them from right here. So they've been fantastic, but this is the farm that they come from. But they've been absolutely phenomenal. So got 2 this time, and they're 30+ pounders, huge. So hopefully will be absolutely delicious. But it'll be sad when the watermelon season is over. That's the farmer right there. And yeah, this is a little farm. They're growing some other things too. And that's their little stand right here. But this is one of the most amazing things out here is just getting fresh food. Like right over that way is one of the beef markets that raises their beef right here locally. And we go over there every once in a while, pick up some steaks. But right across the street is a watermelon farm. And it's just incredible. But he said, I think sweet peas and something else they had coming up here pretty soon. But it's so amazing to see where your food's coming from. $10 for a watermelon that weighs over 30 pounds. And we have not thrown a piece of it away. Absolutely phenomenal. By the way, we got some more guineas today too. While we were at Rural King, I got duped into buying more guineas. These are really, really pretty ones. We got like 4 all white, a couple other weird designs. Pretty cool looking, very unique. Here, let me pop this open for you real quick. Look at the size of these watermelons. They're huge, huge. I mean, I just hit the weights today. I will tell you, these melons are over 30 pounds a piece, easily. So they will be delicious. And we got a little bit of food for the chicks. And we're gonna get these guys home and take off. But anyways, locally grown. Incredible. Just love the food. I mean, I don't know, I just feel better just eating fruits and vegetables out here. It's just so good. Anyways, talk to you in a bit. So Johnny is the one growing the watermelons here. He just picked me up in this vehicle, and he said, I'm gonna show you some really good watermelons. So we're gonna check it out. Because I've never seen watermelons grown before, never been to a watermelon farm. And I'm with Johnny, the watermelon farmer here. Wow, it's how they just grow out here. It's amazing.
You can walk right along here and you'll probably see some bigger stuff.
What's the secret, Johnny, with growing watermelons?
These are all on plastic. And they got drip tape up under them.
Okay,
So that's
okay.
the only thing you can do.
They get big.
Yeah.
They get big out here. So I'm going to show you some of these. Look at these guys. Look how they just grow with all this foliage.
There's Rye Chatham had a steel green.
Down here? Okay. Look at this. What's the biggest threat to a watermelon when you're growing? Is it disease?
Yeah.
What about water?
Water, you got to have.
So you guys have a drip system through here, so they get watered all the time. I've had your watermelons; they're phenomenal, fantastic. They are fantastic. So this is the farm. Johnny was nice enough to show us. There's one that got busted open, huh? Got run over. I'm gonna just show it. But this one got run over. But just take a look. Well, you could tell how good that was going to be. You see all that sugar. Yeah, I got a few of them that got run over down here. A few of them. Yeah, but you could just tell by the color how good these were going to be. You could see the crystallization, all that sugar in there. Look at the bees are in here. All sugar. Makes them so delicious. So delicious. Anyways, that was awesome, Johnny. First time I've ever been to a watermelon farm. Yeah, big. Gotta have water. Gotta have water. Wow. What about predators, animals? Deer. So deer's another problem. What about pigs?
We don't have any.
No pigs out here?
Not right now.
Not right now.
We have plenty of them, but we don't have
How's the watermelon business been? They're good? So when are these going to get picked? Really? So, wow. They won't even get picked. Wow. It's amazing how they grow like this. How many acres? How many?
90.
Of watermelons? 90 acres of watermelon?
Yeah. You want that one right there? You have here.
Take it?
Yeah, take it with you.
All right. All right. Johnny just gave me a free watermelon. I'm gonna pick it, and I'm gonna take it. So I have 3 watermelons and a bunch of guineas today. All right. Look at the size of this thing. Jeez. Just picked it. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. We'll put it right back here. Nice one. That was nice of Johnny to give me that watermelon. Thanks, Johnny.
These are red. These are red.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. So 90 acres of watermelons. That's how many thousands of watermelons have produced? What do you think? A lot. What's over here, Johnny?
Peanuts.
What is it?
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Is this part of you guys too? No? Separate. Peanut farm over here, melons here. Okay. Beautiful day. Bees?
That's honeybees.
Honeybees right there.
Yeah, back there behind you right there.
Yeah.
Can't hardly see
Oh, I see them right there. You got bees here. Bees there, bees there. Okay.
You got to have them.
Very cool. You guys sell the honey? No. Yeah, very fertile land.
These are yellow.
These are yellow. They're a little smaller.
Yeah,
How's the
they
flavor?
get big.
How's the flavor?
About the same.
About the same?
I can't tell them. A lot of people say they can, but
Yellow watermelons here. Oh yeah, yeah. Do people still prefer the red one over the yellow one, or is this? Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
a lot of people like these. We sell a lot of them.
yeah.
We sell more red ones than we do.
More red, yeah,
Anything.
for sure. I bet. Yeah, this is a really cool thing. So you're going with me, 90-acre watermelon farm today. I'm eating about 2 watermelons a week from your farm. So I better knock these 2 out the following week. Try to get back for one last watermelon.
Get that man right there.
That one?
Yeah.
Take it?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to take this one too. Now, is this a yellow one? A yellow. I've never had a yellow. I'm going to try it. This is a yellow watermelon. I'm going to try it. That will be interesting. Johnny says they taste the same, so that'll be cool. All yellow.
Get that green one right there.
That green one?
Yeah, get that one.
Johnny said get this one. Is this another yellow? Another yellow, guys. Another yellow. All right. Thanks, Johnny.
You ain't never been on a watermelon farm?
Never been to a watermelon farm ever.
Yeah, you come out here with planting.
What month do you plant?
They'll start in April.
April. I'll be here. We'll come out and film it. You ever go on YouTube? You're going to be on YouTube tomorrow.
I'm too old for all that.
All right, so we're coming back here. What a great experience. So nice to see where your food comes from. Have such appreciation for it. All the hard work that goes into it to produce a watermelon. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Johnny, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Be on YouTube tomorrow. Thanks for all the hard work. I'm going to grab them right now. Thank you. All right, so we just picked up, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 New Guineas here, guys. Look at these guys. Are they beautiful or what? So that's the size of when we first got these guys, and look how big they already are. 2 weeks later, we got these 2 weeks ago when they were this size. They've grown so much, but look at these guys. They're so loud. They're so loud. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can get them. Yeah. Beautiful. So anyways, more guineas. More guineas. Anyways, checking in. Stay tuned. So it's a little bit better look at the porch now. Eric out here trying to get a big one today. Little lunch break. But porch looking really, really good. These guys are going to be loud. Yeah, it's a spunky little group right there. Anyways, got to get some lunch. I'm out of here.